Taki. Brabula. हेलो गाइस, नमस्ते, जय श्री राम। वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल माउंटेन टॉक्स विद पहाड़ी बॉयज। तो आज है भटजी हमारे साथ, संजय प्रसाद भट्ट। तो भटजी अपने करीबी हैं, जानने वाले हैं सब, ठीक है। तो अभी ये भी हमारे साथ फिजी में है। तो भाई इसी के साथ शुरू करते हैं फिजी के 5वें व्लॉग के साथ, फिजी सीरीज़ के 5वें व्लॉग। तो इस व्लॉग में क्या रहेगा, इस व्लॉग में रहेगा ग्रोग। फिजी में एक ना ग्रोग करके ड्रिंक है, भटजी ग्रोग बोलते हैं, कावा ग्रोग और नगुना भी बोलते हैं। तो ये तीन
कावा हो गया।
अच्छा, इंग्लिश नेम कावा हो गया।
हाँ।
नगुना इनका फिजियन नेम है और ग्रोग है हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना। तो भाई तीन नाम है, मतलब एक ही है, ड्रिंक है जो कावा ड्रिंक। तो कावा ड्रिंक है, आज हम उसका परिचय कराएंगे आप लोगों को कावा ड्रिंक के साथ। तो भटजी से हम टेस्ट भटजी से टेस्ट की जानकारी लेंगे कि भटजी उसको टेस्ट करेंगे आज, ठीक है। भटजी से जानकारी लेंगे उसका टेस्ट कैसा होता है, तो फिर दिखाएंगे। अभी ये कावा बार यहाँ पे है सामने, तो अभी बंद है। तो अभी हम थोड़ा वॉक करने जा रहे हैं, वॉक करके जैसे ही वापस आएंगे तो फिर आपको दिखाएंगे कावा बार। तो भाई एज यूजुअल अगेन हम वॉक कर रहे हैं और वॉक करते करते जाएंगे। और हमेशा की तरह मौसम हो गया औसम, बादल छा गए पर बारिश नहीं होगी और थोड़ा गरम गरम भी हो रहा है आज, पता नहीं क्यों। तो भाई ये देखो बारबेक्यू कावा बार लिखा है। तो यही इसी बार में आएंगे हम, अभी ये क्लोज है, तो जब ये ओपन होगा तब यहीं आएंगे स्ट्रीट। तो ये बैठे हुए हैं लोग यहाँ पे, मस्ती कर रहे हैं सब। मेरे लास्ट व्लॉग मैंने यही शूट किया था, आपने देखा होगा। सब घूम रहे हैं, मज़े कर रहे हैं। सामने बच्चे खेल रहे हैं रग्बी। वो एक वन डाइव इनसाइड। सो 1 2 3 गो। गुम हो गया भाई, गुम हो गया भाई। खेल रहे हैं मज़े से। भाई ये आ गए हम यहाँ पे, और ये है कावा बार जो मैंने बताया था आपको, स्ट्रीट फूड। हेलो अंकल,
My brother, how are you?
गुड ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू?
Good.
हाउ आर यू अंकल? गुड।
Yeah, everything is good. How are you?
व्हाट यू मेकिंग टुडे?
We're making today chicken barbecue.
चिकन बारबेक्यू।
Yes.
सो दिस इज फिजीज स्ट्रीट फूड।
This is Fiji street food. This is people come whenever people leave Fiji and they come back to Fiji. This is what they come and eat.
यस,
So we have chow mein noodles, we have sausage, we have chicken, and we have egg.
वेरी नाइस।
And that goes with cassava. Have you told your listener?
सो व्हाट इज cassava बेसिकली?
Cassava is a root crop.
रूट क्रॉप।
Yes.
यस, सो इट्स
It's like the let's say the potato of the Pacific.
ओके। सो ओके
Right.
सो इट्स लाइक, मतलब जैसे इंडिया में मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को बता रहा हूँ हिंदी में, उनको हिंदी में तो बताना है ना
Yes,
सबको।
yes, yes.
तो ये जो कसावा है इनका, वो ऐसा होता है जैसे इंडिया में अरबी होती है ना, तो उस टाइप का होता है। तो अभी भाई ये ओह, सो दिस इज कसावा।
Yes, it's boiling.
बॉइलिंग।
It's a hard root crop. After you boil it, then it turns soft.
गुड, वेरी नाइस। तो अंकल ये क्या रखा आपने, एग ऑमलेट?
Ah, no. This is
So this is cassava here.
That's
already.
cassava there.
क्या
They
मतलब?
put a little chow mein noodles there.
Some noodles on top.
Right.
Yes. So uncle, I just want to ask you how much it costs for one serve?
This serve is $10 each.
$10 each.
Yeah, $10 Fijian. So I'm not sure how much it is in rupees.
So it's like Indian rupees, it will be like 350 rupees. Between 350 to 380.
That's expensive or?
Not much expensive, but it's good. Like, because it's totally non-veg, that's why.
Yeah.
So you marinate it's a chicken or lamb?
This is chicken, but we also have lamb.
Okay.
Both.
So you marinate the chicken
Yes.
into barbecue sauce?
Yes, barbecue sauce with the special ingredients that we make ourselves.
Oh,
I
nice.
can't tell you the ingredients because it's a special sauce.
Fine. सभी रख रहे हैं. So this is what? Sausage.
Chicken sausage.
Chicken sausage. chicken sausage, omelette on that side. So uncle, I just want to ask you, so what else you got here? Like
Basically, we just stick to the street food.
street
As
food?
far as barbecue, sometimes, but also sometimes we have lamb curry. That's on the weekends, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, lamb curry.
Lamb curry is also
Yeah,
nice.
some days palau, just to
Good, good.
because people are also Indian food is a very big thing in all over the world, no?
Yeah, exactly.
So we have a lot of tourists that come in and they sometimes prefer to eat less expensive Indian food.
So this is ready to eat, or what else you gonna put?
Ready to eat.
So you're gonna put something else on top. So this is Fiji style. Very nice. As you can see. So this is ready to serve. These are our guests for tonight. So you love sausage?
Yeah.
Barbecue?
Yeah.
What, what's your name? What's your name?
My name is Ditui.
What's your
Bola.
full name? Full name.
My name is Antui Matulem Pakaveng Rambuko.
It looks that you give me one statement. So why everybody's name is so big in Fiji?
It's just like that.
Just like that. Very nice. Good. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Enjoy your chicken barbecue.
Yeah.
So uncle, I want to ask you anything else apart from apart from your street food, anything for drink?
Yes, we have kava.
Kava.
Yeah, Yongona.
Yongona.
That is what Fiji is known for.
Fiji's?
That is what Fiji is known for. Yongona.
Oh, Fiji is known for kava.
Kava. That is the biggest export that we have in Fiji, other than our friendliness.
Oh,
Grog is the biggest export that we have.
very nice.
So that's also a root plant.
It's a root plant.
Yeah, with vanishes, it relaxes you. It's nothing that makes you drunk or you go wild and crazy and want to kill somebody. It makes you relax.
So basically,
It's a relaxing.
kava, like after, like if somebody is drinking alcohol, so they start dancing. But after drinking kava, people they just sit down.
No, they can start dancing too.
So,
What's
like,
the difference?
what's the difference between like taking alcohol and taking kava?
And you drinking alcohol, you can get in a fight. You'll go fight people, get crazy. You'll fall down on the street. You can't walk straight.
Yes.
But
And
taking kava, you'll be relaxed. You'll be a
Relax.
friendly person, nice person.
okay, nice, good.
Oh, that's
सो बेसिकली भाइयों बात ये है कि जो कावा है वो है जैसे इंडिया में भांग होती है, भांग पी के बंदा सुन हो जाता है ना, तो दिमाग कंट्रोल करता है भांग, तो वही कावा का भी इनके कहने का मतलब है कि कावा भी वैसे ही कुछ करता है. सो लाइक आई हेard from people that like in Fiji they use kava for their like in Fijian language, if I'll say lotu lotu, like worship, devotion of any
no,
food
no, I wouldn't say worship. Ceremonial practices.
ceremony or practice.
Not lutu. Lutu means something to do with the church. Right?
Okay.
This has nothing to do with the church. But
Okay.
I'm sorry to correct you.
No, it's okay. It's
This
okay.
has not. This was just a thing, a drink that was used for Fijian ceremonies way long too. This was to the chiefs.
Okay.
This drink was only for the chiefs.
Only for the chiefs.
Yeah, they were only supposed to drink one bilo and one bowl, and that's it.
Nice.
But now it's turning into something else. Huh?
So now people taking it as like their relaxation. For,
Right.
So it's kind of addiction as well, we can say nowadays. Nowadays.
Yes.
So before it used to be just for a like luxury drink
For traditional
for the
ceremony.
traditional ceremony.
Yeah. But a lot of people say no, go to like church. No, it's not a church.
Not in the
Many
church.
churches forbid grog.
तो भाई अभी जैसी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको दी मैंने कावा के बारे में, ग्रोग, इसको ग्रोग भी बोलते हैं, कावा बोलते हैं और रंगोना बोलते हैं, ठीक है. तो ये जो अभी इन्फॉर्मेशन थी ये यहाँ के ऑनर है. हाँ, तो अभी यहाँ पे लोग बैठ के पी रहे कावा, तो एक एक करके इन सबसे इन्फॉर्मेशन लेंगे कि क्या क्या इनको कैसा कैसा फील हो रहा है. So भाइयों ये सब बैठे यहाँ पे, they are drinking kava. So one by one we'll ask from everybody. So first we will ask our guest because he's from Chennai and he's from India. He never drink it before, definitely yes. So I just want to like, I'm so curious because I don't drink kava and all other drinks like any addictive drinks I don't drink. So I'm very curious. I want to know about the taste of. So you are the best person because you are the perfect person to whom I can ask this question. So like how you feel after drinking it?
Nothing. I don't feel anything. There's some numbness in your tongue. That's
Tongue.
it.
Okay, okay.
But other than that, it feels just like drinking. Okay, it's not water because in South India we have a powder which we put. It's again made from root. So you mix it in the hot water to drink. Especially in Kerala, they mix it.
So like we can say in our local language, kada.
Yeah, something like that.
When we got cold and cough something,
Yeah,
then
exactly.
we can.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So it's something very similar to that. Except for the numbness, I think there is nothing. You don't feel anything. So it's just like drinking.
Couple more patients and you'll know.
Yeah, that's what I hear.
No, but actually, you know, the kava is quite similar to our bhang in India.
Yeah.
We have bhang.
Yeah,
So after
bhang is kind of, it takes you really high, right?
really high, this also same like that.
Okay.
Because whatever I heard from the peoples,
Okay.
but I don't know exactly. I never feel even I never felt on these things.
Okay.
But still, because it's a national drink, so
Correct.
yeah.
correct.
So we have to respect.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
he's the local guy. He's also local guy, and he's our Ratu. Ratu means he's a chief.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm
So,
not the chief.
Ratu means king. Yes.
King.
So Ratu means chief. Chief. Okay.
King is different.
So we'll ask you like about kava. So from where it comes, how you guys are serving it, like everything.
This one we we plant it for about 5 to 6 years.
5 to 6 years.
Get matured. After that we put, then we dry it, and after that we gonna pound it.
Pound it. Okay.
Yeah.
So like basically it's a root. Then you pound it. Then
Yeah.
you're gonna make it powder.
Make it powder, and then after that that's it.
Mix it.
That's it. We drink it every day.
And this is the result.
Bula.
I think
How are you?
they asked me to drink one gulp, so it was
Yeah,
not
you
bad.
have to because
See, that's why the billow's round, so you can't put it down.
Bula.
Bula.
She's a compromise.
So this is like made up of what? This is coconut, I think, na?
Yeah,
Ah.
coconut.
Dry
coconut shell.
Coconut shell. This
Bula.
is also coconut shell.
Because there is the Kashmir drink also we say kava, right? The cashew, they make chai.
Chai,
It's
yes.
not chai basically. I think in Kashmir there's something called kava. It's as again their traditional drink, so which they keep drinking hot kava, which they keep drinking the whole day to make them warm.
Warm, okay.
But that's made out of cashew. They just do some process.
Same, I think it's a kada, I think so.
Yeah, something
The
like
kada.
that. Yeah.
Because this thing is totally different from everything.
Ah, okay.
Because I think kava we only find in Fiji or somewhere else also.
No, every other country, around the Pacific.
Like in only in Pacific Islands, not other islands.
So no, I think that's what I say. I believe that this is nothing to do with alcohol. See, it's not a alcohol. It's not something like marijuana or anything. I think this has some health benefits as well. That's what they say.
So is there any side effects of it?
No, absolutely no.
No side effects.
Because they have been drinking for I think thousands of years.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Any side effects of it?
Well, I drink every day. The only side effect I have, if I don't drink, I can't sleep. That's the side effect.
That's it. I can understand. Good.
So I have to drink
So
every day.
any advantage of drinking kava?
I think yet to be fine.
We can only ask Ratu. Ratu can tell us. Is there any advantage of drinking kava?
People live long, right?
If you drink kava every day, you can live for more than 80 years. That's before.
It's a reality.
But now, I don't know.
Now we don't know. Now we don't know. So thank you so much everybody for your kind information, and it's very good to meet you guys here. So guys, बात ये है कि अभी जैसे इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली सबसे, तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन तो मैंने ले ली, बट दूसरी चीज़ मैं लाइव मतलब अब खुद भी अपने ग्रुप के साथ बैठूंगा, अपने मतलब जो मेरे स्टाफ लोग हैं जहाँ मैं जॉब करता हूँ वहाँ पे जो स्टाफ है उन सब के साथ बैठूंगा, तो और मैं वो भी शूट करूँगा। तो अब मैं वो करने वाला हूँ, कुछ ही देर में आप वो भी देखोगे, ठीक है? तो वो आपको शूट पूरा दिखाएंगे कि वो जैसे पूरा सर्व करते हुए पूरा प्रॉपर तरीका। ये बैठे हैं भाई लोग, अपने फ्रेंड सब, कलीग, मेरा स्टाफ, तो ये सब पी रहे ग्रोग। तो फिजी की है नेशनल ड्रिंक ग्रोग। ये जैसे चाय, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे चाय है। सो विनी, आई विल आस्क यू समथिंग। Vinny is back again. So Vinny, I want to ask you something. What is grog? Arey, tell.
Traditional drink in Fiji.
Traditional drink. So from where it comes? Like how you
Plant it.
Plant it, and then
We wait for 10 years, 13 years.
okay, she gonna tell us in the details. Leva, Ima, Ima, tell us.
Yangona. We call it Yangona in Fijian.
What you call?
Yangona.
Yongona. And what else?
What Yangona?
What else the name? This the name. Okay, Mari will explain. Mari, tell.
Yes, which one? Only the name Yangona.
We want to know about this traditional drink. So why this drink is called traditional drink?
Because I don't know how to explain it because I know nothing.
Then why you drinking this?
It's traditional.
So it's alcoholic, like it's.
Yeah, not alcoholic.
But I thought that people got like it's also dope.
You can get drunk with this thing.
So but then it has
Like
some.
drunk with alcohol, not this one. You get drunk here.
So is there any side effects of grog?
Yes. You'll get kani.
Kani, what is the kani? What is kani?
The good skin.
So this is. So she's the oldest lady we have here. She can tell us. So tell.
What to tell?
Tell what is kani?
Skin what thing come out from the skin because of that drinking grog.
Okay, so like it means you saying that the grog it dry the skin. Is it true?
Yes.
Huh?
During cold
And the weather.
depends on the weather.
When it's windy and depends on the weather. When
Depends.
it's windy, the kani comes out.
Okay.
And if you drink a lot,
Yes. Okay, so I want to see how you guys serving the kava. So guys, ये चल रहा है. तो taki. So ये भाई इनका ट्रेडिशनल कल्चर है ऐसा. How they are serving. तो देखो ये जो है बुला मादा गुड. तो अभी ये पहले बंदे थे. सो ये ऐसे करके छाल रहे हैं इसको और ये देखो ऐसे भरा इन्होंने और ये गया अगली लड़की. बुला मादा. तो भाई ऐसे ऐसे करके कर रहे सर्विंग. देखो आप इनको सब मजे ले रहे हैं कावा के बढ़िया करके. ये ड्रिंक है ये देखो. इट्स गोइंग टू आंटी. ये हमारे भटजी हमारे साथ डोबरा वाले. भाई भटजी भी पी रहे हैं आज कावा. तो मतलब ये ट्रेडिशनल ड्रिंक है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इसके साइड इफेक्ट्स भी हैं और प्रॉफिट्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. मतलब इसके एडवांटेजेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. तो अभी ये ऐसे पी रहे 1 by 1. तो इसमें ऐसे रहता है. सो आई वांट टू नो व्हाई यू गाइस सर्व फर्स्ट टू जे. Why?
because
He's the man.
He's the man.
and our chief guest is a guest.
Oh, he's the guest too. That's why. तो इनके कल्चर में से सबसे पहले गेस्ट को सर्व करते हैं, उसके बाद बाकी सबको. Then why
Bola cat.
बुला यानरा.
Ay, ito na.
Ay, talak.
Ay, sorry.
Nada.
Naka.